Right, I need some activity ideas for the last day of term. What can I do with my class? I need to find something fun and positive. We will make some digital Christmas cards. Let me send a quick email to remind everyone to be online in 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Morning class. Today we are going to be creating some digital cards.
Hi, miss. Do you like my costume, miss? My mom made it for me.
That's a very interesting costume, Hannah.
Hi, miss. Just give me 2 minutes. I've just found a Pokemon character.
Okay. But be quick, please. Grab your iPads and click on the link.
I'm going to send one to my grandma and granddad, and I might send one to my cousin too.
Miss, can I send one to my family in the North Pole?
Of course. Let's send a video message with our cards. Are you ready?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Brilliant. That's all recorded for you to add to your cards. Off you go. Start creating some amazing cards to send to your lovely family and friends. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, miss.